time in your life and warming up food takes too much time. The solution is the Microwave 2000 with incredible new speed function. Warm up your food in half of the time. Call now and get your device still today. 0221 147 8585. Microwave 2000.
Power on.
Welcome. Please log in with your account. If you do not have an account, register now for free.
Okay. Register, please.
Registration process initiated. What is your email address?
me@gmail.com.
Email address accepted. What is your username?
User 1.
Please insert a password. Registration
What?
complete.
No shit! This is not my
An
password!
email was sent to your email address. Please confirm by clicking on the link.
What's next?
Your personal profile needs to be set up.
Skip this step.
This is not possible.
Okay, then let's go, make it fast.
What is your gender?
Male,
How old are you?
26.
What is your current relationship status? Relationship status is now set to searching for male.
Great.
Profile complete. Please wait while a few things will be prepared.
This is ridiculous. Hello. What's going on?
A few updates needs to be installed.
Oh, come on. This is unbelievable. I just want to warm up my food. Do you hear me?
Updates complete. Please log in with your account. If you do not have an account, register now for free.
Log in, please.
Please say your username.
User 1.
Please say your password. Try again.
Yeah.
Try again. This was the third
God
time you
damn
entered the
it,
wrong
you
password.
fucking piece of
Please
shit.
wait 5 minutes and try again. Try again.
Yes!
What do you want to do?
I want to heat up my food for 5 minutes. Please.
Please insert the food and say start.
Start.
Heating process stopped. Your free amount of time for today is consumed. Please wait until tomorrow or buy a premium account now.
Das reicht schon. Let's go. Komm, jeder versteht das, oder? Wenn euch das Video gefallen hat, dann lasst uns einen Daumen nach oben da. Ansonsten Kommentar oder ihr schaut euch die Videos an, die hier sind.
Und abonnieren. Das ist
Abonnieren, Mann, das ist ganz wichtig.
Das ist eigentlich das Wichtigste.
Wir müssen uns abonnieren. Ja. Abonnieren. Oder wie die Mikrowelle sagen würde, abonnieren.